Okay. 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 Hold it right there. Okay, I have it. Do you want to see? I didn't take anything, I'm kidding.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, I thought there would be something like shining.
Okay. Okay. So the first shot is a little bit overexposed. Let me just show you. So you look like a ghost now.
Yeah.
So you're gonna try and fix that and then see what we get. But I think the hair is fine. Or maybe we should just slick the side. I think we just slick. Give me anything that you can just slick it down a little bit.
Like I should pull this part down.
It's your right. I actually both sides.
Like
I feel if it's like a clean pony, yeah. If we could just
like this part down.
no. I mean like let it fall so it's clean,
like,
yeah. The first one I showed you was really bright. I think that's also because I hadn't.
I look like the wall behind.
Yeah. Okay. Juicy with the punchlines. Okay, so usually beauty, I like it to be around like F9, F10. So I'm just gonna take it to F10, and yeah, it's going to be really dark though. But I'm still trying to figure out the amount of light I need to light you up. Okay, actually this is a bit better. This looks a bit better. So what I'm gonna do is just move the light a little bit more this way. And maybe just a little bit higher as well. And I'm gonna increase it from 1/8 to about 1/4. Take another test shot. Yeah, I think this really works well for me. Okay, one last adjustment. I'm gonna move it closer and bring it down. And take another test. I'm not gonna change any settings yet. Okay. I think this is actually really well balanced. And I like the way it's looking, so I think we can actually start shooting now. So I'm gonna help you with your pose. But I mean, we already have the shots actually, right?
Okay.
Yeah. So we're just gonna work with maybe your head tilts and positions and stuff like that. So see, you're already a pro. All right. Yeah. Okay. That's nice.
Should I do the opposite side?
Yeah. Feel free. Okay. And you can do one facing me again, straight. One. Yes. Okay. So what you gave me are your Instagram poses. I want to show you what you're doing, and then I'm going to direct you a little bit.
Okay.
So this is the straight on one.
Mm-hmm.
This is the Instagram one looking to your right. This is the Instagram one looking to your left.
Okay.
So I'm going to add a little bit more direction, and then we're going to work together and see what we can create and see if it's going to look better than your Instagram poses or not.
Okay.
All right. So first turn a little bit this way. Yeah. And just raise one shoulder, whichever one you're comfortable with. Okay. And then push your face out Just like that. That's way too much. But halfway, it's like halfway. Just bring it out a little, and then tilt your head that way. Perfect. Raise your chin a little bit. Yeah, just like that.
Should I smile or?
Let's not start with the smiling poses. Okay, keep that. Don't change anything yet. Okay, one more thing I want you to do is just move your hair and bring it this way. No, the other side. Yeah. Okay, so now you change the pose. But bring your body this way a little bit. Bring the face out. Tilt your head this way. Chin up a little. Yeah, right there. Okay, let's do it the other way because I want you to face the light even more. So instead of facing this way, yeah, face the side. Exactly. And now tilt your head this way. Bring your body towards me a little bit more. And then push your face out. Maybe tilt your head this way. Yeah, just like that. Okay, keep that. I'm even actually going to come closer to you and then just make it more of your face. I'm going to shoot in portrait as well. So still, don't forget to push your face out all the time. Yeah, that's pretty nice. Yeah, keep that way. Now bring your face this way. Bring it some more. Yeah, chin up. Bring your face some more. Yeah. And hold that. Oh yeah, that's gorgeous. I'm still coming closer. Push your face out some more. Yeah, just like that. Okay, chin up a little bit more. Yeah. And one more thing I also want you to do with your eyes is I want you to be squinting. I know naturally it's already like that, but I want you to squint just a little bit more. Okay. Yeah, that's nice. Now, okay, look at me straight. Let's see what we can do with you looking straight on. Yes. Bring your chin out a little bit as well. Perfect. Okay, just add a little bit of it. Yeah.
I should squint the whole time.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Bring your face a little bit this way. Chin up. Yeah, tilt it just a little bit. Perfect. Jesus is a pro. Alright, one more. Okay, I know I'm taking a lot more than we did for your Instagram poses, but let's see if you see any difference. So this is, oh, where is it? Yay! And this one. And now let's see what we're doing. Do you see any difference?
Yeah.
Do you like these ones?
Like more?
Yeah, and then probably just,
Oh, like this?
yeah. You can add the other one and let's see what we can do with that. Okay, this is fine.
That?
Yeah. Yeah, perfect. Okay. Yeah. Okay, face me. Yes. And exactly. Oh no, don't need to go all the way.
Not all the way.
Yeah, you touch your fingers can show. Yes.
Because if it's like all the way, my middle finger is the only finger showing.
Yeah, that's nice. Yes. Okay. Okay, let's do another one with you a little bit more straight on. So you're facing straight to the camera. Yes, and then, yes, just like that. So, straight. Yes, just like that. No. Straight.
Yeah.
Perfect. You can part your lips a little bit as well. Yeah. Keep that. Perfect. Chin up just a little bit. Yes. Squint your eyes a little bit. Perfect. Part your lips. GC's a pro. Oh yeah, but I think we have a lot of amazing shots. Yeah, I think I love these ones. So, what's the next one? Earrings. Yes, earrings. Yeah. Like the mess is really nice. I just think we should mess it up a bit more, and it looks like the hair here is a little bit more bulky as compared to what's here. Yep. Should we bring it a lot more like to the front of the side, the hair?
More?
Yeah, like to the front.
To the front?
Oh no, I like the mess there, but I'm just saying we should just bring a little bit more to the yeah. No, I think this is too much. Okay. But I like the way this, like, see, we have just some few strands here. It wasn't as much as what's there. People are pampering hair, look. Nobody pampers me like this. Alright. A bit more. Perfect. And chin up. Yeah. Yeah, that's nice. Okay.
Can I speak up too?
Who, me? Okay. Let's turn you a bit more to the side. Yeah, and then just let your head fall that way. Perfect. Yeah, that's perfect. Oh, but now our earring thing is showing. Yeah. Okay. Actually, I don't mind. So you just turn. Yeah. Perfect. Yeah, that's nice. Now I'm going to get closer, and then we're still going to be shooting just like this. Is going to be like a really tight headshot, so it's just like a face. Yeah, that's perfect. Yeah, that's nice. Yeah, that's very, very nice. And just angle it that way. Maybe angle it this way instead. And bring your chin up. Yeah, perfect. Pull that. Yeah, that's very nice. Okay, can you come closer? You can even move the stool. And come just a little bit closer. Oh! Perfect. Okay. You're a pro. You're a pro. Okay. Yeah, that's nice. Yep. Chin up a little. Like patch your lips a little. Yeah. Okay, so now let's have your head straight on again. Let's start with that. And then move the hair to the back. Just maybe.
Show my ear?
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, that's cool. That's very cool. Put your head that way. Yeah. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Chin up a little bit. Yeah. Perfect. Very nice. Punch your lips a little. Yeah. Gorgeous. One more. One more. Okay. Yeah. I think we have enough of this.
You see it?
No. I think it's fine. What's happening? Okay. We're starting again. Okay, I just want to see if everything is quite okay. Yeah. what happened. More. Okay, I think we should do the black background.
Yeah.
Oh, Charlie, I really love these pictures. Yeah. Okay, anyway. Perfect. Yeah, so, and then turn this way. Too much. Right there. Put the face out. So this time we're exaggerating everything and squint and patch your lips. Bring the chin up a little. Perfect. Yeah. Hold that. Yeah. Oh. Beautiful. All right. Yeah. Okay. Cool. Yeah, that's nice. Perfect. Intense. Like very sweet. Tilt your head this way. Perfect. Hold that. Very nice. Sweet. Let's just turn your body a little bit more. Yeah, and then now still perfect. Right there. Oh yeah. Nice. Touch your lips a little bit more. Perfect. Chin up a little. Thank you. Sweet. Squint a bit more. Yeah. Woo. Fauna. Yeah, I think we have it for this. Okay, so look at where we started.
Passport picture.
We always start with the passport picture. Okay, next one. Alright, are you ready? So I think we can just do the same poses again because that one really worked. So this way, and then the intense, yeah. Don't sleep. Okay, ready? Yeah, perfect. Alright, one more. Awesome. But okay, yeah, so these ones are going to be straight on so that they can read the text. Yeah, perfect. Yeah, chin up slightly. Yeah. Okay. Punch your lips a little bit. Yeah. Squint a bit more. Yeah. Give me that fauna.